What's up, family? We back with Zareviews, and today we got Zar's Subway order. The Italian BMT, Italian herbs and cheese, shredded cheese, spinach, jalapenos, honey mustard, and chipotle on the side. And then next thing you know, you get a double toasted. Dip it. Now I'm about to get in for And he burned my first sub. So I told him, like, instead of throwing the meat away from the first sub, just take the meat from that sub and put it on the second sub. So I got double meat. So that's Zah's order. Make sure y'all get it, review it, and let me know. And comment what is y'all's Subway order. See y'all next time, family. Boom.